want to level up and become a consultant, if you want to do that, you've got to do all those things that Lucas is suggesting, your portfolio via website, the webinars, you're learning, you're exchanging ideas, you're going to meetups, you're putting yourself forward for speaking gigs, etc. And LinkedIn, yeah, that's a big one. And any tips, Lucas, on, I know you said you're inbound at the moment. Any tips for anybody trying to leverage something like LinkedIn to find potential clients?
Yeah, so you see, LinkedIn, as far as I know, doesn't have anymore this policy that you need to meet someone in the real life to add him or her on LinkedIn. So it's absolutely fine to add people that you think that they may be potential customers. However, this is absolutely no to right after they approach, like they accept, approach them and say like, hey, because I'm doing SEO and maybe your website. No. Adding them, that's one thing. They will see your timeline, your feed, and then having a quality updates. So case studies, some tactics. You mentioned that you saw some of my videos. That was always my approach into sharing knowledge. I don't like to faff. I rather like to share some 3, 4, 5 actionable tips that someone can take it, bring home, implement, and say like, oh my gosh, I spent 20 minutes or 30 minutes on his speech or on his video, and that works. And even